Well, good day everybody. We ended off the last video pulling my F-150 into the garage. And now we got a big job ahead of me. I've never done before. Did some research. Got some online information I downloaded. Got a service manual. So I think I'm going to be okay. Let's look at some of the things that I picked up. You know, finally rockauto.com sends you a cool magnet for once. So I picked up a milling oil pump. This is a high volume oil pump for high mileage engines. I picked up that. Of course, your timing cover gasket set, closed precision timing components, all new chains, tensioners, all that kind of good stuff. And then over here is the cam phaser lockout kit. I don't know what phasers I got, so I got both for the Ford Motorcraft and the Dorman. Of course, new bolts and the tuner to go along with it. And since the way I'm going to be doing the videos, I bought the tool because we're going to do the phasers in one video and then do everything else afterwards. This is the crankshaft tool right here. And then I also picked up harmonic balancer puller and install kit. I already have a puller from before, but didn't have the install kit, so now I have the install kit as well. So now we're going to start, not today, first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to start in a series of videos on my other channel, break it up to a whole bunch of videos on, you know, things I'm going to be doing first, and then like how to remove this valve cover, how to do that valve cover, how to do this, because there's a lot of information online how to do the actual timing, but haven't really found anything how to get to that point. And doing the timing is only half the battle. You have to get to that point. How do I do it? So mine falls in the 2006 range, and they say the VCTs, I remove the seal and then pull the solenoid out. It makes it easier to remove the valve cover. So am I gonna have to do that? We had the debate about the AC line, and a lot of people talked about that you can get around it, and then some people say that they've removed the intake to make the valve covers come off easy, but it's not exactly needed. One of the things I'm going to be doing possibly is to remove the radiator, just because it'll give me access a little better, and plus because I'm doing the oil pump. All I'm going to say is wish me luck. I'm going to head out to a pub, enjoy my night, and then the rest of the weekend is going to be filming, doing this. Hopefully it doesn't become a shit show, because I don't need any big mistakes right now. Well, good morning everybody, at least it's morning for me. Gonna head out, run some errands. I thought the timing kit would have came with a new crank bolt. Apparently that's not the case, not even the gasket kit. So gonna head down to Ford, see if I can get that. I am gonna pull the radiator. You don't need to. Need antifreeze. We're gonna get oil. I'll order that from AMSOIL. And I need a fan clutch tool and some ratcheting metric wrenches. It's supposed to piss rain all weekend. So far, weather's holding out, but it's only like 8:30 in the morning though. $13 for a bolt, holy crap. Alrighty, we're about to get committed. There's no going back after this. This is gonna be a do or die series. I guess if worst comes to worst, if it shits the bed, there's a guy in Tabor that's got a 2008 F-150 with a 4BT Cummins in it. Says it gets like 30 miles to the gallon. That'd be ideal. So on my journey, finally picked up some ratchet wrenches. I just got a 4-piece right there. That is thermostat and the gasket. Ford oil filter. Ford Tech Mackie Loco says you need a 32 mil. Turn the crank. Another can of this because I knocked mine over and broke the top off. And of course you guys saw the new crank bolt earlier. Plastic tabs are in there, darn good. I was bending my tool and it's metal. Jesus. Yeah, it just broke right off. She wasn't coming out of there. There we go, that lit her up nice. Had to get ghetto, wired it to the grill. That's how we roll around here. I just finished mangling all the tabs that held that guard on. I got 3 right here. I'm gonna have to pick up some more. Well, it appears like the drain doesn't seem to be working, like it's plugged or something. Now I gotta figure out what the hell's going on in there. What a shit show this is. I really have no clue what's going on with that radiator drain. It's hardly even coming out. It seems to be pissing more out the back of the damn plug than anything. This is like trying to catch rainwater in a drought. How fucking retarded is that, eh? What the fuck is with that radiator? We haven't even got this project started and already a shit show. Well, I'm still waiting for that mess down there. I'm gonna spray some stuff on there. Help get those nuts off. And I also noticed I'm gonna have to replace this radiator hose while everything else is happening. Now if you got big sausage fingers like I got, this other one might be a little bit difficult. There. Pull the top off. So now we're at shit show number 2. A while ago, off the Matco truck, I picked up this. This is an 8-piece fuel and transmission line disconnect kit. And the Matco guy swore to me that it would work for the transmission lines. They won't, because the transmission lines has that little ridge right there, so they won't fit over. So I tried to be crafty and make one, but that's too thick to get inside. So right now Amazon Prime is my best friend because I went down there and I found the tool I need. There's been some tornado warnings. Sky's pretty dark. Hasn't rained yet today like it was supposed to. Hey everybody, before we head her back outside in the garage to work on the truck, I picked up something new yesterday before I went out to the pub to take with me on my adventures. Picked up the new Spot X. It gets assigned its own personal cell phone number, I guess you want to say. And when I'm out in the bush and I got no cell phone coverage, I can still communicate with people. I think it's going to be pretty good. I have to give it some time to test it out and see what's going to happen. Holy crap, once you get that fan shroud removed, it sure opens up the space, that's for sure. Now I need to get that bracket off for the power steering reservoir. And as you can see, she goes way underneath into the abyss. And I need to know what the heck I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to grab my snap-on borescope and we're going to check it out. See that? That's what we're after. That's going to get ugly. Are you kidding me? Oh, the sucker does not want to come free. What the hell's the matter with you? Holy fuck. Oh. Fuck, something broke free. Thank God it wasn't my knuckles. Okay, it's coming. This thing is frickin' ugly to get at. I'm not gonna lie, I spent way too much time. Like really, you need a bolt that frickin' big for this. Wow. Oh, really? Now I realize I didn't even have to take it out. Fuck me. I'm just kind of jumping ahead of myself, but I'm pretty sure this power steering pump's not gonna come off easy. She's rusted in there good. My wrench is stuck. Something's turning. I don't know if it's the bolt that's busting. No, I think it came loose. Got this vacuum hose. Gonna very carefully pull that off. This is the vacuum line. Yeah, I can honestly say working on this Ford is definitely not a highlight of mine. Get in there by hand. Spin that out by hand. Come on. Gonna have to blow all the dust off this engine too. A lot of dirt and crap. Come on, come on. You little bastard. Ah, here we go. So in case some people are asking, I've been running the MSD coils for a while, and they're actually pretty darn good. Below there's some sort of guard. I'm just gonna pull it out. Is there another screw holding it on? Of course there is. There's hidden screws all over the place. Oh yeah, what a mess. This isn't a scraper, except today it is. Man, that's a lot of crap built up on there over the years. There she be, it's raining again. Time to shut her down. Get ready for work tomorrow. I did not get as much accomplished as I'd hoped. Everything fought me to the death. Seized. You could see how rusty things get in this engine bay. Corroded. And I busted 3 out of the 4 power steering bolts. The last one will probably give me trouble just to screw me over. I haven't even tackled this side yet. This side's supposed to be kind of a pain in the butt. But I believe I got everything on this side ready to go. Pull that valve cover off. I'm not going to pull them off until, you know, I'm ready to get this side out. Anyways, I think it's motherfucking beer time. It's as steady as she goes. This is not gonna be as short as a project as I thought. And it's hard to put in like a full 8-hour day. It's almost impossible on the weekend because I usually don't get out of here till like 1 o'clock, and then I'm packing up at 5 because, you know, want some time to rest. You don't want to spend all your time working. Definitely slows down on the project wise, and this is definitely one of the more challenging projects that I've done in a while. But as soon as we get this done, probably going to take a little bit of a break, work on some friends' vehicles again before I start tackling the Jeep, start making plans for an overland trailer, because so many people have been telling me I should take the Jeep out camping. So I don't know, maybe I might freshen up the engine in the Jeep, rebuild the transmission, you know, build it for some low-end power. Would probably definitely help out. We'll see how things go. At this point in the game, probably not. I'm not looking for a vehicle right now. I'm committed to what I got, so gonna build a trailer and then see what happens after that. All right, motherfucking beer time. We got some caribou. only because I wish I was out gold mining, because Kevin was out mining some gold on the North Saskatchewan River, doing some easy digging. And as much as I really want to go out, I need to get this job done before my engine blows up. It's not at that stage where, you know, it sounds like a diesel truck permanently, but when it's hot, it does have a tick. Not like some people's. I don't have the startup rattle. I don't have the drivability issues. I don't have any codes, so I'm tackling it at a pretty good time. I think once you start getting the engine codes and stuff, that things start to look a little bit scary. But anyways, fucking motherfucking beer time. Oh, yes, sir. Still got a long ways to go. Been a lot of struggle dealing with seized parts. So rusted. This is just one of many shit shows to come. Once it's over and done with, I'll be happy. That's one thing about the Jeep, you know. As much as I'm not a fan of the Jeep, it is very simple. It's very basic. There's really nothing challenging to do on a Jeep. There's none of this crazy ass stuff that I'm seeing right now. However, the newer Jeeps is a whole different story. But the TJs with the inline 6, simple as pie. Anyways. Oh yeah, this tastes so good. 5.5% alcohol. I'm going to pack her up, head her inside, and come out here for a couple hours during the week, every other day, and see what I can get done. I'd like to have this job not take forever, but I also don't want to rush it either, because one wrong mistake and it's game over. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.